Alright, guys. I want to talk about how to make your first 100 sales on Etsy. Um, and I tell you what I did and how I got 616 sales on this Etsy. And I've had thousands of sales on my other Etsy. So I just started this one back up, so I ain't got no views today. But all times I've had 47,000 views. I've had 568 orders and I've made 26,000 on this account. Now let me tell you, this one has not been. It's been okay for me. This is the second one has not been near as good as the first one, but I don't really pay for advertisement. I just let Etsy do its SEO because Etsy's good about putting you on the top. So what I'm actually going to do here is I'm going to search a tree on here. And I'm going to see if I can find it on the top of Google. Okay. We also sell tree cuttings, rooted trees, small little potted trees. Mainly all bare root stuff, though. Come on. Anyways, the goal is to get up here on Google. And I'll show you the best thing. Here, hold on. My computer's being slow. Okay, so let's go down here and let's just copy this. Say we're going to make another one. And it's basically pretty simple. Let's see. I've got 3 pictures on here. I'm offering free shipping, so I'll put that in the title. I've actually made a couple videos on my other Etsy, but I haven't found that that's made a difference yet. They only give you like 10 seconds to show your product. So the description's important, but look, it's not a very long description. The best thing that I've shown is just putting all of these tags in here. Tags. It says use 13 tags. So I use every one that has something to do with my tree.